Hi everybody. Hi. If you can see me, this is your physics faculty, Aaditya Pandya. Hi. Welcome to Momentum with Vedantu. And today, guys, today is our first class, the first actual academic class, and we are going to do complete revision of mechanics. Okay, if you can see me, we are going to do complete revision of mechanics. Once again, let me adjust. Okay, my comments are not getting refreshed. One second, okay, everybody, one second. If I'm here, I am here. Hi, everybody. Hi, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here. Today is the day we start our academic classes. We are going to revise mechanics. We are going to revise mechanics. If you are here for the first time, this is the channel Momentum with Vedantu. This is Vedantu's physics channel, and I'm your faculty. I'm your master teacher, Aaditya Pandya. I have done BTech from Mechanical Engineering from IIT Kanpur, and today we are going to do mechanics revision. By the way, guys, only 3 days to go. Only 3 days to go. Then JEE Mains start. So best of luck, everybody. Best of luck. Hi, everybody. Hi, Samruddhi. Hi. What's in the name? There is a guy whose name is What's in the name. Very good. Hi. Hi to you too. Hi, Ravi. Modern physics. Ravi Kumar is asking, sir, when will be modern physics revision? Ravi Kumar, modern physics revision will be there on Sunday. It will be a mixture of optics and modern physics revision. Okay. It will be a mixture of optics and modern physics. Okay. Finally, mechanics. Yay. Hi, Leander. Hi, everybody. Okay, now here's the thing, guys. So the thing is that this is the region where you will be able to see me. Okay, this is the region where you will be able to see me. If I ever by mistake write here, if I write here because I am me, I know that I will write here. Then please tell me. Okay, then please tell me. If I write here, then please tell me, because I definitely will. Because I definitely will. Spare the grammar is asking, sir, what about 2021 batch? Guys, don't worry. We are coming up with classes for you too as well. They will start in September. Don't worry at all. This class is revision for 2020 batch. Okay, but even if you're 2021 batch, you can still attend today's revision session. We are just revising mechanics that you have studied last year. Okay, no issues, no issues. For 2022 batch, don't worry, guys. On in September we are starting. We're coming up with brand new series for you guys, so don't worry. Everything will start in September, and we will share with you the timetable. Okay, all right, everybody. I am so excited to start today's session. Okay, I'm so excited to start today's session, and let's just get into it. Okay, so we are going to do a lot of questions today, but before doing some questions, when you go for an exercise on the ground, so like exercise chalu karne se pehle you do some warm up exercises, you do some stretching and all of that. Okay, that is also what we are going to do in today's session as well. Okay, before doing the big questions, we are going to do some stretching exercises. Okay, would you guys like that? If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up. Please write you in the chat. Okay, Jason Dennis wants me to take his name. Hi, Jason. Okay, hi, Mahita. Hi, Madhulika. Okay, so this is the first warm up question, guys. This is the first warm up question. It's a very simple question. You have to tell me the acceleration of the block. If you know, then give me the answer in the chat. If you know, give me answer in the chat. Everybody, it's option A or option B. It's option A or option B. Fatafat say, fatafat everybody. What will be the acceleration of the block? Okay. Yes, correct. Jason is correct. Ravi Kumar is correct. Many of you are giving me the correct answer. Correct, guys. It will be equal to G sine 30 degree. Okay, it will have two forces on it. See, it will have mg on it in downwards direction. If you take its component, mg sine 30 will be in this direction, and mg cos 30 in this direction. I hope everybody knew this already, guys. I hope everybody knew this already. Okay, very good. Very good. The correct answer is G sine 30. Am I lagging? Am I lagging? If I'm lagging, please tell me in the chat. Okay. All right. I will try to do questions from all the chapters. Almas Khan. I will try to do questions from all the chapters. Okay. Second warm-up question. It's just the same question, just a different thing I'm asking. What will be the normal reaction on the block? If you guys know, please tell me in the chat right now. If you guys know what will be the normal reaction, everybody tell me, tell me, tell me. The normal reaction, guys. What will be the normal reaction? A or B? Very good. Bhargavi is correct. Amish is correct. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Once again, guys, there will be mg in downwards direction. So there will be mg cos 30 in this direction. And it will be balanced by normal reaction. So, of course, normal reaction will be mg cos 30 degrees. Everyone is doing very fantastic. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Very nice response. By the way, guys, if you like today's class so far, please give me a like. Please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel right now. Okay. Okay. So this is the first big question that we are going to do today. This is projectile motion on an inclined plane. Okay. This is projectile motion on an inclined plane. I have a particle which is projected. I have a particle which is projected from this point A with velocity 10 meters per second. Okay, and you have to calculate its range on the inclined plane. You have to calculate its range on the inclined plane. It's thrown at an angle of 90 degree, guys. It's thrown at an angle of 90 degrees. If you know the correct answer, tell me in the chat. I will solve it in exactly 1 minute, guys. I will solve it in exactly 1 minute. Okay, everybody, if you know the answer, please tell me in the chat. Somebody is asking me, oh my god, क्या क्या सवाल पूछते हो यार तुम लोग. Okay, if you know the answer, tell me in the chat, everybody. Tell me in the chat. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Am I the only one who wants to get the answer? No, everybody wants to get the answer. Everybody wants to get the answer. What's in the name is asking how to do it. I will tell you right now. Do not even worry. Okay. All right. Many of you are giving option A as the correct answer. Some of you are also giving option B as the correct answer. Let's see. Let's find out. Okay. Let's find out. Guys, hit the like button if you understand this question. Okay. If you don't, then don't hit the like button. But if I am able to make you understand this question, then hit like on this video. Okay. So, how to do it? So, this is the ball which is going to be projected from point A and it is going to land up here at point B. Okay, what I will do is as I will take this as the x-axis and the y-axis like this. Parallel to the plane, I will take the x-axis. Perpendicular to the plane, I will take y-axis. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to imagine if there was a light, a big flashlight kept here. Okay, and I also want you to imagine if there was a screen kept here. Okay, and if there was a flashlight and a screen, you will see the shadow of the particle as it is traveling. You will see the shadow of the particle as it is traveling. Okay, and what will you see? What will you see? You will see that as the particle travels on this path like this, the shadow of the particle will travel from up and down like this. Okay, the shadow of the particle will travel up and down like this. So now also at the same time, assume that there was one more light here. Assume that there was one more light here and I was looking at the shadow of the particle on this inclined plane. I was looking at the shadow of the particle on this inclined plane. Once again, as the particle travels from here to here, its shadow will travel like this from A to B. Its a shadow will travel from A to B like this. Okay, guys, these two motions of the shadows are called projections. These are what we call projections. If you knew that, give me a thumbs up. And this is called Y projection and this is called X projection. Okay, this one is called X projection. I hope everybody knew which projections these were. Okay, just to keep a track of things, let's name this path as the original path was A to B. Let's name this also as A to B. Let's name this as C to D to E. Let's name these points as C to D to E. Now comes the important point here, guys. Okay, अभी है ना बहुत खतरनाक चीज होने वाली है, ध्यान से देखना. What happens is that when this particle is traveling in air, it will have an acceleration of g in vertically downwards direction. It will have an acceleration of g in vertically downwards direction. Okay, so what you can do is you can take components of g parallel and perpendicular to the plane. The value of component of g in this direction, the component of g in this direction will be g sine 30. We have done this. Abhi पिछले question में जैसे acceleration was g cos g sine 30, here also it will be g sine 30. And it will also have a component in this direction, guys. It will be g cos 30. I hope everybody sees this. Okay, so because of this, this shadow, the y projection, will also feel an acceleration in this direction, and acceleration in y direction will be how much? That will be minus g cos 30 degree. Why did I write minus sign? Because it is towards negative y direction. It is towards negative y direction. The shadow will have an acceleration of minus g cos 30. Similarly, the x shadow will have an acceleration in this direction of g sine 30. Okay, the x shadow will have an acceleration in this direction of g sine 30. I hope everybody understood so far. Now, to find the range, first of all, I will need to find out its time of flight. So first what we will do is we will try to find time of flight. Okay, and when we are trying to find time of flight, we will look at what motion? We will look at the motion of the y projection. We will look at the motion from C to D to E. Okay, now if you look at the original particle, it was thrown up, into the y direction with a speed of 10 meters per second. So its shadow will also have a speed of 10 meters per second initially in y direction. So if I want to use this equation, displacement in y direction is equal to uy. Displacement in y direction is equal to uy into t plus half into ay into t square. Then you can see that when the particle reaches from A to B, the shadow will reach from C to E. When the particle reaches from A to B, the shadow will reach from C to E. And in that case, the displacement of that shadow will be equal to 0. Guys, do not look at the actual particle. Look at the shadow of the particle. The y direction shadow of the particle goes like this and this. Okay, and that shadow will have a displacement of 0. What will be the initial velocity of the shadow? 10. What will be the acceleration of the shadow? It will be minus g cos 30. That will be minus 5 root 3. G is equal to 10, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And I want to find out the time of flight. I will substitute t as capital T. Substitute all these in the above equation. If I substitute all of this in the above equation, you will get 0 is equal to 10 into t minus 5 root 3 into t square. Okay guys, from this you will get 5 root 3 t square is equal to 10t, which will give you t is equal to 10 by 5 root 3 or 2 by root 3 seconds. If you understood, guys, give me a like. If you understood, give me a like on the video and give me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, all right. So now that we know time of flight, let's try to find out the range. Okay, how do we find the range? So once again, let's just do it C to D to E. Okay, and this is A to B. Okay, now I know that the shadow in this direction has an acceleration in x direction of g sine 30 degrees. Okay, and initially the particle was thrown like this at a 90-degree angle of 90-degree angle with a speed of 10 meters per second. So what will be the initial velocity of the shadow in x direction? The initial velocity of the shadow in x direction will be 0. Why am I saying it as 0? It will be equal to 10 cos 90 degree. 10 cos 90 degree. What is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. So now to find the range of the particle, we will look at the motion from A to B. Okay, we will look at the motion from A to B. I will once again use the equation Sx is equal to ux into t plus half into ax into t square. Now, guys, first of all, what will be Sx? That is what I want to find. That will be the range. What will be Ux? The Ux, guys, is going to be the initial velocity of the shadow. What is the initial velocity of the shadow? Zero. Zero. And what will be the acceleration of the particle in x direction? That is g sine 30. And that will be equal to 10 into half, that is 5 meters per second square. I hope everybody understood. And finally, how much will be the time taken for the shadow to reach from A to B? That will be same as the time of flight, which will be, that will be same as time of flight, which will be 2 by root 3 seconds, guys. So I will write it as 2 divided by root 3 seconds. Substitute everything into the above equation. I will get r is equal to 0 into 2 by root 3 plus 5 into 2 by root 3 the whole square. Okay, which gives me range r is equal to 20 divided by 3 meters. 20 divided by 3 meters. If you got the correct answer on your own, very, very good. I'm super proud of you. If you did not get but understood this video, guys, the correct answer is going to be 20 by 3. If you got the correct answer, if you understood how to get the correct answer, please give me a like. Please give me a like. Very good, very good, very good. I hope this is the type of questions that will come. Okay, you have to understand, guys, remembering formula is not going to help that much. You have to also understand the concepts. Okay, you have to also understand the concepts. Only then you will be able to solve such tough questions. Okay, all right, guys, this is the second question. This is an easy one. This is an easy one. I'm going to give you once again 1 more minute to solve. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 more second to solve, 1 more minute to solve. Please give me the correct answer. Okay, everybody in the chat, give me the correct answer. Ah. Everybody, give me the answer. I'm reading the chat. Oh, I missed the half. Did I miss the half? Oh my god, did I miss the half? Did I miss the half? Yes, I did miss the half. Okay, in the previous question, guys, it was half 80 square. I missed that. I missed that. So this will not become 20 by 3. No, 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 no. This will become actually 10 by 3 meters. Okay. Oh my god, sir did it wrong. Sir did it wrong. And the answers are also wrong. Wow. The correct answer will be, the correct answer will be 10 by 3 meters. Guys, the correct answer will be 10 by 3 meters. Okay, I think so. I think so. Okay. Oh my god. I lost my steel bottle. Someone is asking me, where is my steel bottle? I lost my steel bottle. Okay. Okay, guys, let's do this question. Let's do this question. I hope everybody read this question properly. Let's try to do this question. Let's try to do this question. Okay, so see, it just tells me that you guys are paying attention or not. Okay, that's why. That's all this is about. This, I just need to know if you guys are paying attention or not. Okay, all right, guys. So this is, I have a man standing on a platform. The man has a mass of 50 kg and the platform has a mass of 20 kg. And you have to find, the platform moves upwards at a steady rate if the force with which the person pulls the rope is. Basically, they have asked you the tension in this question. This platform is moving up with a constant velocity. Guys, you have to understand, if it is moving up with a constant velocity, that means its acceleration is 0. And if the platform's acceleration is 0, the man's acceleration will also be 0. And you have to also remember that acceleration equals to 0 means what? That both the man and the platform are in equilibrium, okay? That means that on both of them the total force in upwards direction will be same as the total force in downwards direction. Okay, so let's try to find force on both of them. Okay, let's try to find force on both of them. To understand that, let's look at this. If the man is pulling the string with tension T, then the tension here will be T and T, which means the tension here and here will also be T and T, which means the tension here and here will also be T and T, which means the tension here and here will also be T and T, and which means the tension here and here will be 2T and 2T. Okay, also at the same time, guys, remember this: whenever there is a man standing on the platform, both of them are going to push each other because there is a surface of contact. There is going to be a normal reaction. Normal reaction force kya hoga? The platform will push the man up with normal reaction N, and the man will push the platform down with normal reaction N. Okay, how yes, Muskan, these questions are helpful. These questions are helpful for NEET as well. Okay, 25 kgs, see फिर गलती कर देता ना मैं. This is 25 kgs guys. See, situation हाथ से चला गया. This is 25 kgs guys. I forgot. Okay, so how do we solve this? The thing about any Newton's laws of motion question is, guys, you have to draw free body diagrams. Okay, please, oh please do not be lazy. Please draw the free body diagrams. If you like drawing free body diagrams, please give me a thumbs up in the chat. You should be liking drawing the free body diagrams. Okay, otherwise this chapter you guys will not be able to solve. Okay, so these are the free body diagrams for both the bodies. The man has a mass of 50 kgs and the plank has a mass of 25 kgs. Okay, let's draw all the forces. The man is going to be pulled up with a force of T. It is going to be pushed up with normal reaction N as well. Remember, the normal reaction on the man will be upwards. The platform will push him up. Okay, and similarly, man will feel a force in downwards direction equal to how much? Man will feel a force in downwards direction equal to how much? Equal to M into G, which is 500 newtons. Okay, also at the same time, if you look at the platform, for the platform it will feel a normal reaction in downwards direction. Normal reaction always pushes. Okay, and it will feel a force of 250 newton in downwards direction. That is its weight, because M into G, and it will feel a force of 2T in upwards direction. Okay, now if I look at the man, then the total force up has to be same as the total force down. Total force up has to be same as total force down. Okay, which gives me for the man, if you see, force up is T and N. So for the man, the total force up is T plus N, and in the downwards direction, the force is 500 Newton. Similarly, if you talk about the platform, guys, the total force up is how much? That is 2T, and the total force downwards is how much, guys? That is 250 plus N. Now, if you see, we have two equations and two variables. We can easily solve this, guys. I can write T is equal to 500 minus N, and from the first equation, and I can substitute this here. Okay, I will get 2 into 500 minus N is equal to 250 plus N. Okay, or 1000 minus 2N is equal to 250 plus N, or 3N is equal to 750. Okay, 3N is equal to 750, or N is equal to 250. If n is equal to 250, then once again substituting this back into this equation, T will be 500 minus 250, which is 250 newtons. If you got that answer, very, very good. If you got that answer, very, very good. I'm super proud of you. The correct answer will be B. Now, here's the thing. Varun Shastri in the comments is asking, sir, why have I taken 2T? Varun Shastri, remember this. If you have any pulley, okay, and the tension force is T and T here, then the tension gets added on the downwards, the tension will be 2T. Okay, and since the platform is connected to it, the platform will feel a force upwards 2T. Okay, I hope you can see, Varun Shastri, what I wrote. Okay, see, if you understood this question, please hit the like button, guys. Please hit the like button, everybody. Okay, now let's do the third question. But before that, let's have a warm-up question. Okay, why is this not going? This is supposed to go. Go, Ray. What, Ray? Acha, this will go. Chalo. Warm up question. If these two lines are perpendicular, then what will be the product of their slopes? Okay, I don't know why these two lines are not going. Okay, one second, guys. Let me try to do this and go back. Yeah. Okay, what will be the product of their slope? Tell me very quickly, guys. Ah, Varun Sastri, very good, very good, very good, very good. Everybody, super good, super good. I know, it's an easy question and it's beneath you guys, sir. ये क्या पूछते हो? But remember, this is a warm-up question. Okay, what you are learning in this question will be used in the next question. And the next question is this, guys. A particle moves under the force of F is equal to this 20 I cap plus 15 J cap. But the particle is moving along this line. Okay, and when it is moving along this line, the alpha is a constant. If the work done by the force F is 0, then you have to find the value of alpha. Guys, I'm going to give you 1 more minute to solve this question. Everybody, give me the answer. Fatafat say. Everybody. Everybody. You have to use what we just saw in the warm-up question. Okay, warm-up question में जो किया हम लोगों ने, you have to use that only. All right. Oh my God. Everybody hit like. Okay. Gautam Kumar wants me to take his name. Gautam Kumar, I will take your name 2 times. Okay. All right, everybody. All right. Okay, it's 12:28. If you have gotten the answer, write in the chat. If you haven't, let's see how to solve this question. Okay, what I will see here is I will make this diagram. This will be the line 3y plus alpha x is equal to 5, and this will be the force, which is how much? 20 I cap plus 15 j cap. 20 I cap plus 15 j cap. Okay, now if the particle is moving along this line, the work done on the particle is 0. That is true if both these are perpendicular to each other. That means what I can say is that if this angle is theta 1 and if this angle is theta 2, I can easily say tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 should be equal to -1. Tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 should be equal to -1. Now, first of all, let's try to find out tan theta 1. How will you find tan theta 1? See, you have a force F here, which is 15 I cap plus 20 I cap plus 15 J cap. That means this is going to be 20 I cap and this is going to be 15 J cap. Okay, and this angle is theta 1. If I ask you how much will be tan theta 1, guys, that will be nothing but 15 divided by 20 or 3 divided by 4. It will be 3 divided by 4. And if I ask you the value of tan theta 2, then tan theta 2 will be nothing but the slope of the line 3y plus alpha x is equal to phi. And if you know what will be the slope of the line 3y plus alpha x? It will be minus alpha divided by 3. If you understood that, see, this is a course concept from mathematics. It gets used in physics. So you have to remember such small formulas, guys. So I can just write here tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1, or 3 by 4 into minus alpha by 3 is equal to minus 1, which gives me alpha is equal to 4. Guys, alpha is equal to 4. I hope this is not, यहाँ पे भी लिख देता हूँ, alpha is equal to 4, guys. I hope everybody understood. Everybody understood. Okay. Ilaf Sheikh has asked me, sir, where will I start lectures for NEET 2022? I will start in September. Elaf, don't worry. We are going to go. We are going to do everything in NEET. Okay. If you have just joined this video right now, guys, please hit the like button. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Okay. Also, if you understood this, then please hit the like button on the video. Okay. So the correct answer is A alpha will be equal to 4. Alpha will be equal to 4. Okay. Yes, it will be revision of all the topics. We're trying to cover maximum topics in as little time as possible. We'll do questions from as many topics as possible. Okay, guys. Okay, so now let's go to the next question. Next question. I will give you once again 1 minute to solve. Okay, I'm going on to the next question now. All right. I'm giving you 1 minute to tell me the answer in the chat. Okay. This session is going to be approximately 1 hour. Dr. Oscar is asking how long will this session be? It will be approximately 1 hour. 2021 droppers also we will start. Don't worry. Dr. Movie Buff is asking where will I start for 2021 droppers? We will start everything from September. Okay. The videos that I will upload for 11th and 12th topics will be helpful to you. Okay, don't worry. All right. If you can solve this question, guys, give me the answer in the chat box. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Mm-mm-mm. SHM problems, Aryan Nagavinkar. Today it's going to be the full mechanics revision. So I will not be able to just do SHM problems, but there is an SHM problem in today's worksheet. So don't worry, we will solve that as well. Okay. Yes, Siddharth, you are giving 2022, so you might not have studied so many topics from this, so this might not be useful for you. This is useful for 2021 and 2020 students. Okay. All right. It's 1 minute, guys. It's 1 minute. Arnim Shukla, welcome here. I didn't think you would come here. Welcome, Arnim Shukla. Okay, let's do this session. Okay, let's do this question, not session. Okay, so let's do this question. How do we solve this question? Okay, where is my pointer? ये गया क्या कहीं पे? Oh, sorry, it was right there at the corner. So, how do we solve this question? Okay, it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. First of all, what you do is in all these questions, you have to make a diagram. Okay, so let's say this is the diagram, and this is the car which is going to go. This is the car. Let's make it like this. This is the car which is going with some velocity, v. Okay, now when the car is going with velocity v, it will undergo centrifugal force. Okay, and what will be the value of a centrifugal force? I hope everybody knows that is mv square by r. Okay, and what is the direction of centrifugal force? The direction of centrifugal force is always away from center. The direction of a centrifugal force is always away from center. It's a pseudo force, guys. Okay, so here the car will feel a centrifugal force in this direction. It's equal to mv square by r. Okay, do we know the value of r? Yes, we do know the value of r. R is 300 meters, so it will be m I हाथ से मत निकल mv square by 300. Okay, what other force will be there? See, if this was the only force on the car would have skidded out of the road. Okay, but what happens is this force will be balanced by friction on the tires. So the friction on the tires will be fs. Okay, and when the car is just about to skid, when the car is just about to skid, when car is just about to skid, okay, just about to skid, okay, the value of friction will exactly become mu s into n. Okay, the coefficient of friction into normal reaction. What is coefficient of friction, guys? It's given in the question here. If you see, coefficient of friction is 0.3 and g is 10, so this will just become 0.3 into m into g. Okay, and now what I can write is that since the car is not skidding, the total force towards left, guys, will be same as the total force towards right. Okay, I will say 0.3 into m into g is equal to mv square divided by 300. Okay, g is 10, guys. G is 10. So I will get v square is equal to 0.3 into 10 into 300. My maths is weak. How much will this be? Oh, this will be 900. So v will be equal to what? 30 meters per second. But oh my god, what is happening here? The answers are given actually in kilometers per hour. So what to do? What to do? What to do? You have to convert it into kilometers per hour, guys. And how do you do that? You multiply it by 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. What do you multiply it? Tell me very quickly in chat. 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. Fatabat se. Multiply it by what, guys? Multiply it by what? 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. Correct. It's going to be multiplied with 18 by 5. This will be 108 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the correct answer is 108 kilometers per hour. Guys, please learn how to convert from meters per second to kilometers per hour. Okay, you have to either multiply with 5 by 18 or multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, all right. Oof. So heavy questions. Let's do a light question now. Let's do a light question now. This is a warm-up question once again, guys. You don't have to calculate much. You just have to apply your brain. There's no calculation here. You just have to apply your brain and you have to tell me what will be the direction of friction on the lower plank. What will be the direction of friction on the lower plank? Tell me it's option A or option B. I have to drink water. Yeah, Gotham, thank you so much for reminding me. I have to drink water. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. It will be A or B. Live technology. Dhanush is asking. Yes, I will do for 2021. The classes will be there. Don't worry about that. It will be option B, right? That is exactly correct. You have to understand that friction wants both the bodies. Friction wants both the bodies to move with the same velocity. Friction wants both the bodies to move with the same velocity. That means friction will try to decrease this velocity and it will try to increase this velocity. Friction will try to decrease 20 meters per second and it will try to increase 5 meters per second. How will it decrease 20 meters per second? By being applied towards left. Okay, and how will it increase 5 meters per second? By being applied towards Right. Remember, guys, friction doesn't hate motion. Friction hates relative motion. It will do all in its power to stop the relative motion. Not motion, but relative motion. Okay. So keeping that in mind, let's start the next question, guys. I'm going to give you 1 more minute, 1 minute, not 1 more minute, 1 minute to solve this. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to solve this. Everybody should be able to solve this. Okay, and guys, make free body diagrams. Okay, don't make me come there and like बनवाऊंगा मैं तुमसे free body diagram. बनाओ खुद से. Do not be lazy. बनाओ free body diagrams. Okay, फटाफट से. I'll give you 1 minute. Tell me. जल्दी से. Thank you, Vedang. Thank you, Vedang. Thank you so much. Okay, everybody, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Thank you, Samruddhi. Thank you so much. Come here to see my lecture every day, guys. Come here to see my lecture every day. From today, they will be there every day. One lecture at 12 o'clock. And then in September, we'll be doing 2 lectures in a day. One in the afternoon at 12, one in the evening. Okay? All right. Kayur, I know you want Cadbury, but no Cadbury. Okay? All right. Ah, okay, everybody. Okay. How do we do this? Hi, Akanksha. Sarthak ahead. I will do 11 topics. In detail from September. Do not worry. Okay. All right. So, how do we solve this question, guys? So first of all, we have to make free body diagrams. Okay. Now, remember, because these two bodies are going to move like this, the block M will have acceleration in this direction A, and the lower M will have acceleration in this direction A. So the friction will try to oppose the relative motion. So on the top block, the friction will be towards right, and on the bottom block, the friction will be towards left. Okay, and guys, which type of friction will this be? Will it be static or kinetic? It will be kinetic friction, guys. It will be kinetic friction, and everybody knows what is the value of kinetic friction. It will be mu into n, and n is the normal reaction at this point. What will be the value of n? Nothing but m into g. So the force of friction, guys, will be m into g. I hope everybody understood. Friction forms action reaction pair. On the top block, it will be towards right. On the bottom block, it will be towards left. I hope everybody understood. Okay. Now, next, there will also be tension in this string, and there will be tension on both the blocks, guys. Please remember that as well. And thankfully, the ground is smooth, so there will be no friction at the bottom point. So what I can write is, now I can write make the free body diagrams. On the top block, there will be tension in this direction. There will be friction equals to mu mg in this direction, and it will have an acceleration A in this direction. Okay, what will be the equation of motion that I can write? See, guys, in the direction of acceleration, the forces are considered positive, and in the opposite direction to the acceleration, the forces are considered negative. So I will write here net force is equal to mass into acceleration, or T minus F is equal to M into A. I hope everybody understood, guys. For the second block, there is force of friction in this direction, and there is tension T in this direction, guys. There's force of friction and tension T. So I will write for that block as well, for the bottom block as well, if net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now remember, the bottom block is moving towards right. So forces towards right will be considered positive, and forces towards left will be considered negative. So what I will write is F minus F plus T is equal to M into A. F minus F plus T is equal to M into A. Now guys, from this equation, I can write T is equal to MA plus F, and I can substitute this here. So I will write F minus MA plus F is equal to MA, which gives me the equation, guys. F minus 2F is equal to 2M into A, and F is equal to mu mg, guys. So I will get F minus 2 mu mg is equal to 2MA, which gives me the final equation that I will write here, guys, that I will write here. The final equation, E is equal to F by 2M minus mu g. F by 2M minus mu g. I hope everybody understood. If you did, give me a thumbs up in the chat, and also like this video and subscribe to our channel. The answer will be option C. Many of you gave option A. That's not correct, guys. If you do it correctly, you will get answer as option C. Option C. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button. We need at least 300 likes before the session is over. Okay, we need at least 300 likes before the session is over. All right, everybody, next is, once again, this is a very pretty basic and elementary question. I will give you 1 minute to solve, guys. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to solve. Okay, Varun Shastri is asking, am I there on Vedantu Pro subscription? Yes, Varun, I am available on that. Okay, everybody, yeah, I will be taking class 12 syllabus as their KU tomorrow. If you JEE 2020 wal or NEET 2020 वालों के लिए, tomorrow I'm taking revision of electrodynamics. If you're just here, I'm going to take tomorrow revision of electrodynamics. Okay, all right. Okay, now how to solve this equation, guys? You have to remember that if I'm applying any external force on this system, then I can write that the total external force will be equal to the total mass into acceleration of center of mass. Total mass into acceleration of center of mass. Now in this question, guys, how do I find the acceleration of center of mass? I will write F is equal to, total mass will be m plus m into acceleration of center of mass will be ACM. Okay, which gives me ACM, acceleration of center of mass, as equal to F divided by 2m. Now what else do I need to do, guys? How else do I need to solve this? The next thing is, first of all, the block A is moving with acceleration A naught, and we are asked the acceleration of block B. Okay, let's say the acceleration of block B is AB. Okay, and this is what we have to calculate. So I will write what? Guys? I will write the equation for acceleration of center of mass. ACM is equal to m1a1 plus m2a2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, substituting the values, guys. I will write F by 2m, which is ACM, is equal to m1 into a1 plus m2 into a2 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, divided by m1 plus m2. Guys, this will give me F by m is equal to a naught plus ab. This m and m will get cancelled out, and this will become 2m, which will get cancelled out with 2. Okay, which gives me AB is nothing but F by m minus a naught. AB is nothing but F by m minus a naught. Okay, my hand is transparent. Yeah, that might happen from time to time. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am green in color. The screen is green, so of course my hand is going to be transparent. Okay, all right, everybody. All right, all right, all right. Okay, next. Once again, a warm-up question, guys. Everybody should just know the answer to this question. Everybody should just know the answer to this question. Tell me what is the answer to this question. Tell me what is the answer to this question. Okay. So tell me, how am I green? Varun Shastri is asking, how am I green? I don't know why. Okay. These are warm up questions. Okay, these are warm up questions. ये directly JEE में नहीं आएंगे, but these are the questions that form the foundation of the next question which is about to come, guys. Okay, so you have to remember the answer here is 2r by 5. If 2r by pi, if I have a semicircular ring, the center of mass is at 2r by pi. 4r by 3 pi is for semicircular disk. Okay, it's for semicircular disk. The 4r by 3 pi is the center of distance of center of mass. Okay, all right, guys, if you are having fun, by the way, please give me a like. Please call your friends here. This is going to be a very highly energetic session. Okay, सबके सब आगे पढ़ाई करो, यहाँ पे बहुत मजा आएगा. ठीक है, I have one more warm up question for you. Okay, I have one more warm up question for you, guys. This rod is rotating. Okay, this rod is rotating with some angular velocity. Now velocity of point B is 7 meters per second. You have to tell me velocity of point A, guys. Velocity of point B is 7 meters per second. You have to tell me velocity of point A, guys. Everybody should know this. Everybody should know this. फटाफट से बताओ, फटाफट से बताओ. Tell me. Will it be A or B? A or B? A or B? Tell me. Do you guys know? Do you guys know? So warm up question, guys. Give me the answer. A or B? A or B? A or B? The correct answer. 1 second. My comments are not refreshing. Okay, so the correct answer, guys, will be. Correct answer will be. The class is divided between A and B. The class is divided. Okay, what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be A, guys. The correct answer will be A. Okay, how do I write this? How do I write this? So what I can write is that the angular velocity will be nothing but velocity of point A, divided by a radius of point A, and it is also going to be velocity of point B divided by radius of point B. Velocity of point A divided by radius of point A, velocity of point B divided by radius of point B. Okay, so from this, if I just equate both of them, you can just write velocity of point A divided by 3 is equal to velocity of point B divided by 3 plus 2, because radius of point B will be 5, which gives me VA is equal to 7 into 3 divided by 5, which is option A. Okay, which is option A. I hope everybody understood. I hope everybody understood. Yes, omega will remain constant. I LTP ES coordinates एकदम सही बोला. Okay, all right. So next question. Now this question seems little hard, guys, but remember what we did in the last two warm-up questions and you'll get it very easily. I'll give you 1 minute to solve. It's 12:52. I will start the solution at 12:53. Yes, it will be less than 7. It will be less than 7, Marks guy. It will be less than 7. Okay, because the radius is smaller. The velocity will be also smaller. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Ah. All right, everybody. All right. Vedang, Marvs, both of you, I hope you understood. Yes. Okay, good. Okay. Very good. Everybody, any answer? Any answer? Aditya K is giving me 2 MV by pi. Is he correct though? Is he correct? Well, yes, I think he's probably correct. Okay, this is very correct. Okay, all right. So how do we do this? How do we do this? So first of all, you have to understand this train is a semicircular train. Okay, this is a semicircular train. Okay, and it's going to go like this. Okay, it's going to go like this. So in this case, what will be the momentum of the train? What will be the momentum of the train? Momentum of the train with Vedantu will be mass of the train into velocity of center of mass. Mass of the train into velocity of center of mass. Okay, now if the train is going in this direction, that means the center of mass will be somewhere here, and it will also be going like this. Okay, but it will not have the same velocity as the train, guys. It will not have the same velocity as the train. What will it have? You know what will it have? It will have the same angular velocity as the train. It will have the same angular velocity as the train. So now how do I find the velocity of center of mass? I will just write the angular velocity is the velocity of the train divided by radius of the train, and that is also equal to velocity of the center of mass divided by radius of the center of mass. Now center of mass is how much distance? Center of mass is at a distance of 2r by pi. So I will write v by r is equal to v dash upon 2r by pi. I hope everybody remembers this. The center of mass is at a distance of 2r by pi, guys. Okay, so I will get v dash is equal to v by r into 2r by pi, which will be just 2v by pi. Okay, this is nothing but velocity of center of mass. Now, what will be the momentum of center of mass? What will be the momentum of center of mass? That will be nothing but m into VCM. That will be 2mv by pi. If you understood this, guys, please give me a like. Please give me a like and please hit the subscribe button. Okay, the correct answer will be 2mv by pi. 2mv by pi. Is this session for JEE 2023? No, marks, guys. It is for JEE 2020. Okay. All right. Which chapter is most important, Nishita? You can't just say you can't. I don't know the answer to that. Okay. All the chapters are equally important. Okay, but some chapters are more important relatively. Mechanics is more important. Yeah. Okay, guys, one more warm up question. One more warm up question. I want to find out this perpendicular distance d, the distance of the point from this line. I know this is a maths question. I know, guys, I know this is a maths question, but please respond me properly. Fatafat say you should know this maths, guys. Everybody should know this answer. Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat what will be the correct answer. Correct, correct. Vamsi Nayak is exactly correct. Dr. Oscar is correct. And Anubha and Arnim also correct. Nishit is also correct. Very good, guys. The correct answer will be this. How do we find the distance of a point from a line? The distance of a point from a line is given by if the line is equal to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the distance of the point x1 y1 from that line, x1 comma y1 from that line, is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. Under root of a square plus b square. There is a modulus here as well because distance is supposed to be positive. Substitute here in this case. If you see, x1 and y1 is nothing but 0 comma 0, and you have a as -3 and b as 4. So substitute that in the equation, guys. You'll get d is equal to mod of -3 times 0 plus 4 times 0 plus 2. Sorry, this can be written as -3x. I have to write the equation of the line properly. Okay, I have 4y minus 3x is equal to 2. So I can write this equation as 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Yeah. I made a mistake, guys. It should be this -4 and +3. Okay, so +3 and -4. The distance d can be written as, guys, mod of 3 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 2 upon under root of 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, that will give you D as nothing but 2 divided by 5. I hope everybody understood this. Okay, if you guys understood, give me a thumbs up. Okay, all right. So now this is the question. Once again, you will have to use what you just did in the last warm up question. Okay, tell me what the answer to this question is. I will give you 1 minute, guys. I will give you 1 minute. Draw a diagram, draw a diagram, everybody. Okay, Kayur, I don't know about that. Amish Bhatnagar, very, very good. You gave me the correct answer for the last question. Okay, Vamsi Nayak, very good, very good. Marks guy, I don't know that. I don't know the answer to your question. Okay, all right. 1 minute, everybody. 1 minute, 1 minute. Just tell me very quickly the answer to this question. Very quickly. Fatavat say, everybody. Fatavat say. Everybody. Leander, heat and thermo revision will also happen, but not right now. For the next 2 days, I'll be doing electrodynamics and optics and modern physics. Okay, the answer to this question, everybody, I'm giving you 1 minute. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Oh, very good, yaar. So many of you, Balaji S, Amogha, Arnim, everybody is giving me the correct answer. I'm so glad, guys. I'm so glad. Muthapu is giving me the correct answer. Nishit Setia has given me the correct answer. Very, very good. Guys, what is the question? I have a mass 3 kg which is moving along this line with this velocity. I have to find its angular momentum about origin. Okay, so if this is the origin, guys, this is the origin. Let's say this is the line along which the particle is moving with velocity v. I hope everybody knows, guys, what is the formula for angular momentum. The angular momentum, by the way, is written angular momentum is written with capital L, and that is equal to R cross P. Guys, if you are only trying to find out the modulus of R cross P, the magnitude of angular momentum, that will just be RP sine theta. RP sine theta. Okay, or I can just write it as R into MV into sine theta. Now, in this case, I don't know the value of R, and I also do not know the value of theta. But guys, very quickly, if you see this, if that angle is theta, this angle will also be theta. And if you see this, R sine theta will be nothing. R sine theta will be nothing but this distance. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember the basics of trigonometry. I don't know if you guys remember the basics of trigonometry, but if this is theta and this is r, this will be r sine theta. Okay, this is just basics of trigonometry. My triangle is there a little bit inverted. Okay, so I can just write this as what? I can just write this as m into v into r sine theta, and that is m into v into r perpendicular. That we have already calculated, guys. That we have already calculated in the question. How much will that be? 3 into 5 into 2 by 5. How much will this become, guys? 6 kg meters per second. I am so glad everybody got the correct answer. This question is not considered very easy, but so many of you got the correct answer. I'm so glad, guys. I'm so glad. Okay, Prasanna, yes, the answer to your question. Does Vedantu provide JEE crash course for advanced? Yes, correct. But I don't know the dates right now. I will get back to you. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Everybody is responding so well. Okay. Now, ninth question, guys. Ninth question. I have a small pulley, okay, and it has a radius of 20 centimeter. It has a moment of inertia of this much, and a 2 kg mass is hanging from it. If the block is released for no slipping condition, find the acceleration of the block. Okay, guys, this will require you to make free body diagrams. This will require you to make free body diagrams. Please make it. I will give you 1 minute to solve. Please make it. I will give you 1 minute to solve. Fatafat say everybody. Fatafat, fatafat, fatafat. Everybody, give me the right answer. Give me the right answer. What will be the answer? 1 minute, guys. Everybody's been given 1 minute. How to solve this? वेरी गुड. रोहन यादव टेक्निकल गुरुजी का तो आंसर आ भी गया. रोहन यादव टेक्निकल गुरुजी got the answer already. Rohan Yadav, Amogha also got answer very quickly. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I will start solving the question in 1 minute, guys. Okay, I'm starting to solve the question, guys. If you haven't solved, you keep solving with me and try to get the correct answer on your own. Otherwise, look at the solution. Okay. All right. So here you have to first understand, guys, that there will be tension in this string. There will be tension in this string. This block will go down with acceleration A, and this pulley will rotate with angular acceleration alpha. Okay, and you have to remember what will be the relation between A and alpha. The relation between A and alpha will be A is equal to R alpha. In this case, R is given as 20 centimeter. In meters, it will be 0.2 meters. Okay, so A will be written as 0.2 alpha. A will be written as 0.2 alpha. I hope everybody is following. Now, let's draw the free body diagram. It has a tension T here, and the pulley has tension T here, and angular acceleration alpha. What is the equation that I can write? What is the equation that I can write? I can write torque tau is equal to I into alpha. Torque tau is equal to I into alpha. What will be the torque due to the tension? The torque due to the tension will be T into R. That is equal to I into alpha. Now I know the value of R is 0.2 and I know the value of I is 0.32. So I will write T into 0.2 is equal to 0.32 into alpha. Okay, which gives me T is equal to 0.32 divided by 0.2 alpha. That will be nothing but 1.6 alpha. T will be 1.6 alpha. I hope everybody is following. Okay, similarly, if you look at free body diagram of the 2 kg mass, it will have a velocity, it will have a weight mg downwards, and it will have an acceleration a downwards. Guys, what will be the equation of motion? I will write net force is equal to mass into acceleration. How much is the net force? M into g minus t, that is equal to mass into how much is the acceleration? 0.2 alpha. Acceleration is 0.2 alpha. So I will write 20 minus t is equal to 0.4 alpha. I can substitute the value of t here, guys. I will get 20 minus 1.6 alpha is equal to 0.4 alpha, or 20 is equal to 2 alpha. Alpha is equal to 10 meters per second square. Sorry, not 10 meters per second square. Alpha is equal to 10 radians per second square. Radians per second square. Okay, now let's look at what is asked in the question. In the question, they have asked us the acceleration of the block. What will be the acceleration of the block? That will be 0.2 alpha, guys, and that will be 0.2 into 10, which is 2 meters per second square. If you understood, guys, please, please, if you understood, guys, please give me a thumbs up in the chat. Please give me a thumbs up in the chat. If you understood, please give me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, the correct answer will be option A. Option A. Prasanna, very good. Vamsi, very good. LTP is a coyote, also very, very good. Hit like, everybody, hit like, hit like. Okay, all right. Next question. Once again, a warm-up question. We are going to do a question on gravitation, guys. This is a warm-up question. Tell me the answer. Fatafat say. Tell me the answer. Fatafat say. In the chat, everybody. In the chat. What will be what's in a name? The correct answer to your question is because they love it. Because they love it. Why do so many IITians become professors and teachers? Because they love it. Okay, I personally did it for the same reason. I don't know about others, but I'm guessing It's because they love it. The correct answer for this, guys, yes, this is a formula based question. You have to know that G has two formulas. It's Gm by r square, and it has, in terms of density, a formula 4 pi rho g r by 3. Okay, 4 pi by 3 rho g r. I hope everybody knew that. Based on this is a very simple question. I will give you 1 minute, guys. Quickly give me the answer. Quickly, quickly, quickly. All right. Everybody, very good. Chalo, फटाफट से इसका आंसर दो. फटाफट से everybody, everybody, everybody. This is a very simple question, guys. Very simple question. It will take just a minute to solve if you make everything correctly. Ah. Doctor Movie Buff. uh, First of all, you will need to graduate Doctor Movie Buff. Okay, become a graduate, and then you go to Vedantu's website and look for careers and then apply there. Okay, all right. Okay, so the correct answer. Oh my God, Prasanna, Khushkar, Aditya K, LTP, Amok, Balaji S. Everybody has given me the correct answer. No name has also given me the correct answer. World of Science, hi to you. Okay, B for ball in gravity. Exactly. See, the gravitation acceleration is G here. The gravitational acceleration is G also here. Okay, density is rho. Density is 2 rho. So what I will write here is G is equal to G for both. I will write 4 by 3 pi rho into G into R should be equal to 4 by 3 pi 2 rho into G into R dash. Okay, if you see, guys, everything will get cancelled out. Everything will get cancelled out. R dash will be nothing but R by 2. Everything else will get cancelled out. Okay, everything else, guys, we will start Menti quizzes very soon. Don't worry, don't worry. We will start Menti quizzes very soon. Don't worry. Okay, this is for JEE 2020 and 2021. If you guys want to revise today, you can do that. Okay, another warm up question, guys. Another warm up question. Everybody, solve this and tell me. Shout out to Pallavi Alanka. By the way, guys, if you're here for the first time, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, today we are revising mechanics. Tomorrow we will revise electrodynamics. Okay, tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. This channel is aimed at JEE and NEET 2020. Today's video is aimed at JEE and NEET 2020 and for people who are preparing for 2021 for today. Otherwise, we will prepare for 2020, 2021 and 2022. Okay, what is the answer, guys? What is the answer? Everybody tell me. Everybody tell me. Correct, correct. Balaji is correct. Swastik is correct. Very good, Prasanna. You made a mistake, Prasanna. Okay, very good. कैसे करेंगे कार्तिक रेड्डी. Oh my God, जोश देखो कार्तिक का. Oscar is correct. Balaji S is as usual correct. Okay, Vardhi Aru is also correct. Okay, how do we solve this, guys? How do we solve this? You have to remember that about an axis passing through the center, the moment of inertia is mr square. This distance is equal to r. I can apply parallel axis theorem. So I will be equal to I about center of mass plus md square, which will be mr square plus m into r square, as d is also equal to r, which will give me the answer as option A. If you understood, very, very good, guys. I guess everybody loves parallel axis theorem. Do you like parallel axis theorem more or perpendicular axis theorem more? I personally prefer parallel more. Okay. All right. A disk of radius r is pivoted it's pivoted at its rim. You have to find the time period for small oscillations about an axis perpendicular to the plane of the disk. Okay. All right, everybody. All right. Thank you, Supriya. Please come back tomorrow. Okay. So hum likes Spider-Man. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, guys, I'm giving you 1 minute. Solve this question. 300 done. Oh my god, 300 people like this video. I am so happy. I am so happy. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, super awesome. It feels so good, guys. It feels so good. Good, 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 good. Okay, let's try to get this likes up to 350. I think we can do 350, guys. We can do 350. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being a big fan of mine. Okay, how to do this, guys? How to do this? You have to know that the ring is rotating like this. Okay, and first of all, if it is oscillating like this, I have to know that the formula for time period is 2 pi under root I upon m into g into d. यहाँ पर what is I is the moment of inertia about the hinge. Okay, about the point where it is hinged. Okay, which we just calculated, guys. We just calculated about the hinge. The moment of inertia is how much? 2 mr square. And what is sorry, m small m. Okay, 2 mr square. Okay, and what is d? What is d? This d is the distance of hinge. D is the distance of hinge from center of mass, which in this case is how much, guys? The distance of hinge from the center of mass is r, so it will be r. Substituting all the values here, guys, I will get t is equal to 2 pi under root 2 mr square upon m into g into r. If you see m and m gets cancelled out, r and r gets cancelled out, you will get time t is equal to 2 pi under root 2r divided by g. 2 pi under root 2r divided by g. Okay, is this a disk or oh? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is not a ring, this is a disc. हम सवाल गलत पढ़े. Oh my god, oh my god. Sir did it wrong. Okay, so okay. So if I have a disk, guys, if I have a disk, if I ask you what will be the moment of inertia of the disk about this axis, what will be the moment of inertia about the disk? That will once again be ICM plus MD square. For the disk, the moment of inertia about the center of mass is equal to mr square by 2 plus mr square. That will be equal to 3 mr square by 2. Oh my god, guys, I made a terrible mistake here. In this case, guys, it is not a ring, it is actually a disc in the question. I am so sorry. Did I just do that? Yes, I did. I made a mistake. It will be 3 mr square by 2, guys. Okay, so so the correct time period will be t is equal to 2 pi under root 3 mr square by 2 upon m into g into r. That will be equal to 2 pi under root 3r by 2g. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, the answer will be option C. Soham Mishra, please use the time stone and give us more time for JEE. Soham Mishra, I do not have the time stone. I do not have the time stone. I'm so sorry. But if I find Doctor Strange, I will talk to him. Okay, don't worry. Now, guys, this is the last question for the day. This is the last question for the day. I'm not going to solve this question. I want you guys to solve this question and give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, give me the answer in the comment section. We will solve this question in the next class. Okay, and the first guy who gives me the answer in the comment section, I will shout out his name in the next class. Okay, now, I don't want to give me the answer in the chat, okay? I want you to give me the answer in the comment section, guys. I want you to give me the answer in the comment section. This is the live chat where you are responding to me. Give me the answer in the comment section, okay? Answer to this last question. I want to see who gives it to me first, okay? I want to see who gives it to me first. All right, okay? No Cadbury, no Cadbury, okay? All right, everybody, all right. So, I guess this is it for today, guys. This is it for today. This was the last question. I had super fun teaching you guys. Okay, I had super fun teaching you guys. Okay, and if you liked this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends, guys. Share it with your friends. Next session is tomorrow. Call them here. All of us will study together and we'll have a lot of fun. Okay, all right, guys. So I'm ending today's class today. But before we go, let's talk about Vedantu's platform for 2 minutes. Okay, Vedantu has the JEE and NEET platform for 2021 and 2022 batches. Guys, if you take the pro subscription, you will get full access to all of our live courses. Okay, we have so many faculties. All of them are the best faculties in India. All of them with 5+ years of experience. Okay, you get full access to all the live courses. You can choose the language. If you like English, you can choose English. If you like Hindi, you can choose Hindi. Okay, and if you ever miss a class, you will also get to go back to the lecture. You will also get to go back to the recorded lecture and watch it again. Okay, instant in class doubt solving. Every class you can ask as many doubts as you want, guys. There will be dedicated people to just answer your doubts. Okay, guys, how much does the Vedantu Pro subscription cost? The Vedantu Pro subscription costs around 6,999 if you take it for 1 month. But it comes out to much cheaper rate. Per month price comes out to much cheaper rate if you buy it for 12 months. Okay, but also on top of that, if you use the discount code that I give you, if you use the discount code that I give you, you will get additional discount. Okay, how much will be the additional discount? Additional 15% discount. And this is the code that I want you guys to use. Okay, AAPPRO. Go to vdnt/in/yt vdnt.in/yt pro and use this coupon code to get the extra 15% discount, guys. Okay, it was super fun teaching you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe to our channel, and please share this video with your friends, and come back here tomorrow 12 o'clock, guys. We will revise electrodynamics. Okay, chalo. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye, everybody. Bye, Supriya. Bye, bye, bye. Have fun, everybody. Best of luck for your JEE exam. Best of luck preparing today. Okay, bye. Also, if you're still here, join our Telegram group. Okay, I forgot to tell you about our Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group, and you can get all the updates instantly on the Telegram group. Okay, all right, join the Telegram group. Bye, guys. This is the end of the session. Bye.